Alright, welcome back guys. So today we're going to do 3rd grade math. And our topic is going to be types of angles. So, there are 3 different types of angles we're going to talk about today. A right angle, an acute angle, and an obtuse angle. And we're going to talk about the requirements for each of these angles. So, let's get started. Okay, so the first type of angle we're going to talk about today is going to be a right angle. Okay, so a right angle is an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, it is a 90-degree angle. Okay, so on the next slide I'm going to show you guys what a right angle exactly looks like. Okay, so a right angle looks sort of like this. Most of the time it has that little square telling us that is 90 degrees. And we can write the degree symbol as a little circle like this. That means degree. So, just as a heads up. Degree symbol. Alright, so let's go on to our next slide where we'll talk about our next type of angle. Alright, so our second type of angle is called an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Alright, so an obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees, but also less than 180 degrees. So I'll give you guys a few examples of obtuse angles on our next slide. Okay, so an obtuse angle can be an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. So let's say this is 120 degrees. That's an obtuse angle. Let's say we have this angle right here. That is 93 degrees. That is also obtuse. So anything that's between 90 degrees, so any angle that is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees is an obtuse angle. Let's go on to our third type of angle. Alright, so our third type of angle is called an acute angle. Alright, here we go. So an acute angle is any angle that is greater than 0 degrees, than 0 degrees, but less than 90 degrees, but less than 90 degrees. Okay, so on the next slide I'll give you guys a few examples of acute angles. Okay, so here are a few examples of acute angles. So let's say this angle measurement right here is 30 degrees. That is an acute angle because that is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0. Alright, so let's take another example. Let's take this angle right here. Let's say that is 60 degrees. That's also acute because that is greater than 0 but less than 90. So anything that's greater than 0 and less than 90 is an acute angle. So our next slide is going to compose of the fourth type of angle that we have. Okay, so our fourth type of angle is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle. this angle can be anything greater than 180 degrees, than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. Alright, so let's go on to our next slide where I'll show you guys a few examples of reflex angles. So I'll give you guys a few examples of reflex angles right now. So our first example is this one right here, where we go from here to here. Let's say that angle measurement is approximately 200 degrees. So that is a reflex angle because that is greater than 180 but also less than 360. So any angle that's greater than 180 but less than 360 degrees is going to be a reflex angle. So the next slide I'm going to have is going to compose of a few questions regarding these types of angles. So you guys can either pause the video and try them on yourselves and check the answers, or you can watch me go through them. Alright, so let's get started with that. Okay, so our question is, what type of angle is this? So our angle measurement is 110 degrees. So let's go off our list. Is this a right angle? No, because a right angle needs to be 90 degrees. Is this an acute angle? No, because an acute angle has requirements that the angle needs to be greater than 0 but less than 60. Is this an obtuse angle? Yes, because it's greater than 90 degrees but also less than 180 degrees. So this is an obtuse angle. Alright, let's go on to our next question. Okay, so what type of angle is this? Let's see. The angle measurement is 235 degrees. So is it an acute angle? No, it's not. Is it a right angle? No. Is it an obtuse angle? No, because it's not between 90 and 180. Is this a reflexive angle? Is this a reflex angle, sorry? Yes, it is, because it's between 180 and 360 degrees. So this angle is a reflex angle. Alright, so we'll do one more question, and let's go on to that question. Okay, so what type of angle is this? We know the degree measurement is 39 degrees. So, is this a right angle? No, because it's not 90 degrees. Is this an obtuse angle? No, because it's not between 90 and 180 degrees. Is this a reflex angle? No, because it's not between 180 and 360 degrees. Is this an acute angle? Yes, it is, because it's between 0 and 60 degrees. Alright, so this between 0 and 90 degrees, sorry. This is an acute angle. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and if you guys need any help or have any comments, please try and contact me, and have a nice day.